Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share how to fix transfer directly from iPhone not working in 4 ways in this video. Let's get to the point. Fix 1. Force restart both iPhones. Press and release the volume up button, and repeat the action of the volume down button, then press and hold the power button and wait for the Apple logo to appear. Finally, enter your passcode to boot up your iPhone. For different models of iPhone, you need to press and hold different keys at the same time. Fix 2. Update both iPhones to the latest iOS version. You just need to go to Settings, General, Software Update. If a new update is available, tap Download and install and wait for the process to finish. Fix 3. Use iCloud Sync to transfer data between 2 iPhones. On your old iPhone, tap Settings, your name, at the top, iCloud. Select the services you want to sync, turn on the toggle button in front of them. Then click iCloud Backup and click Enable Backup this iPhone. Click Backup now and wait for it to finish. Turn on your new iPhone and start setting it up. Tip: if you have set up a new iPhone, go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all contents and settings, then go through the settings again and restore your iCloud backup. Connect both iPhones to a Wi-Fi network. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, click the Restore from iCloud Backup option. Enter your Apple ID to view all available backups. Sign in with the same Apple ID on both of your devices. Select and install the latest backup. Fix 4. The best alternative method to transfer directly from iPhone. If none of the above fixes work, then you can use the best alternative tool, iSunshare iSyncGenius, which works every time. It is a one-stop solution to transfer all your data from the old iPhone to the new one without any trouble. Download and install iSunshare iSyncGenius on the computer. And make sure iTunes is installed on the PC too. Then launch the software. Connect both of your iPhones to the computer with USB cables. Click the transfer option in the top menu. Tap the device's model checkbox to change the iPhone. Then click the transfer button. After loading all the data, you can check the files you want to transfer. Once you have made your selection, you can click the Transfer Now button to start the migration. Wait for a while and the data migration is successfully completed. Click Finish to end the process. Then it is done and you have successfully transferred all your data from old iPhone to new iPhone, and you can access it to check if all your iPhone data is still there. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.